Hey, I got some good news from you. Well, I'm guessing as a trader on the side, you're always looking for a opportunity, especially in this industry, right? Well, speaking of opportunities, I'm excited to tell you about the Wikifx Demo Trading Weekly Contest. An exciting contest, and it's the perfect opportunity for you to test out your trading skills and win some cash at the same time. All you have to do is head to the Wikifx app and start trading. You just have to do it under the demo, and you don't need to worry about it. It's free, and when you're killing it in the game, there's some prizes in it. And this is 100% real. It's totally legit. It's simulating the real thing, and it's even got the stop loss function that you can minimize your risk. Really, it prepares you for the perfect Forex trading world. The crazy thing is this demo trading contest will be on every week throughout the rest of the year. Okay, so here's how it works. The contest runs from midnight on a Sunday to the next Sunday midnight. So let's talk about the prizes. That's what you want to hear about, right? So the top 3 participants, well, the ones who got the highest return rate, they're going to get these prizes. The first prize, easy $200 in USDT. The second prize, $100 in USDT. And the third, you guessed it, $50 USDT. I mean, hey, it's free money and free practice. That's pretty nice, right? The demo trading contest will not only benefit a newbie trader, but also a great chance to those who have been trading for years to get into these new strategies and test them out without risking your real money. So what are you waiting for? Why not try it out? Don't miss this opportunity. Trust me, you're going to get some cash prizes if you do it right, and you're going to learn a lot along the way.
I saved you! Finally mine!
And hey, as you know it, stay safe out there, trader.